हेलो, टुडे इज डे 11 ऑफ लर्निंग टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और आज हम सीखने वाले हैं एवरीडे रूटीन सेंटेंसेस। मतलब वो एक्टिविटीज जो आप एवरीडे करते हैं उन्हें इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई वेक अप एट 7 in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, finish my morning rituals and go to school or go to office after eating my breakfast. I study hard at school or I work at office, I prepare for meetings, I attend clients. I come back home by 5 in the evening. I and my family prepare dinner together. We go for a walk after having dinner. I go to bed at 10 every night. I hope you are clear with the use of everyday routine sentences. Please write your routine in the English language in comment section below and follow for more such videos.